Dance nga. Ano ka ng tutay? Grabe na ito. O, paano yung dance sa baba? Yung sa floor. Patigin nga yung dance sa floor. Yung sa floor. Dali. Oh, ang galing talaga. Game. Wow! Galing mag-dance ah. Very good yun na. Floor keeper yun ah. Floor manager. Oh! Very good oh. Oh, yung puwet. Paano yung puwet? Congratulations! Hilig talaga sa video dito. Ay sus! Ay sus! Pati yung puwet, pinakita. Ano ba yan? Picturean yung puwet mo! Patay tayo dyan.
So, what is your name?
What's your name nga? Can I see? Oh, dali. The video is here. Game. Game, tell me what's your name? Tell me what's your name? Oh, bilis. Tell me what's your name? I'm 3 years. My name is Princess.
Aya Galor.
I'm 3 years old. I live at
Mati City.
my mommy's name.
Is Majid Galor.
Ang galing. Sabi mo, I thank you.
Ay, thank you.
Where do you live?
Ayan, Makati siya. Makati City.
Very good ah.
How old are you?
Mami.
How old are you?
Ako, mami.
Very good ang baby. Oh, di nga, can you dance? Wow, can I see the nice one? Dali, can I see how to dance my baby? Wow, very good ah. Ang galing ah. Wow. Very good ang baby ko ah. That's your dance? What else more? What else more? Ay, sus. Very good how to dance. O, sabi mo, ay, thank you. Oh, very good ah. Oh, come on. Say mo, thank you. Uy, sus. What else? How you dance? Tell me how to dance.